Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Online Income. In this video we are going to talk about LOL Airdrop, which was given on Matchain money app. If you are mining Matchain and you have been given this airdrop and yet to claim it, here is a step-by-step process to claim it. Now we are going to bridge BNB on our exchange wallet to Matchain BNB. Matchain is not on any exchange, so we cannot transfer BNB directly to Matchain. So we are going to bridge the BNB in our wallet to that of Matchain, and what we are using here is BittgetWallet. We are using BittgetWallet to do the bridging. We need the equivalent of $1 for the bridging, so equivalent of $1 BNB to do the bridging. So let me go to Bigget and demonstrate how to go about. It is expected by now you have your BNB in your Bigget wallet. So let me go to Bigget. Let's wait for it to open. So if this is your first time of coming across this channel, like and share this video, subscribe also. Now it has opened. So what you do here, first let me show you what we are breaching. So we go to wallet. Now we have a equivalent of a $2 worth of BNB. This is my BNB in my BitgetWallet. Now we are going to bridge this BNB with that of Matchain. So let's go back to home. When you get to your Bigget, what you do is click discovery here. You click here, come to search bar, type in this I already have it on my history, this link. When you type in the link, I will drop the link in the comment section for you to copy and paste on this place. Just follow the step as you watch the video. Let it open. Okay, it's still trying to open. So bridge, okay, it has opened. So this is the link we are going to use in carrying out the bridging. So let's connect, click connect, select BitgetWallet. That is where we have our BNB. So after selecting BitgetWallet, it will connect. Now click here. Watch carefully so that you see how the process is being done. You click here. When you click here, select click to select. Okay, you come down here, and click this arrow here. This arrow, okay, it has gone back. Let me do it again. Okay, scroll down. There's this arrow here. Let me show you here. This arrow here. click on it. Okay, when you click on it, look for BSC, because we are bridging BNB is on the BSC network. So we look for BSC. Let's scroll down. Now here it is. Select it. Same here. As you can see, click on it. Then on the search bar here, type BNB. And set okay. BNB and search. It will open. Let's come back. Okay, here is a BNB. We click on it. Now we have selected the BNB. You can see the balance in my account showing. Now let's go for the second one. Click the second, select token here. We look for Matchain. Repeat the same thing we did. Scroll down. Scroll down, look for, select the arrow tree. This thing is somehow delayed. Let me go back. The arrow is not. Wow, it has gone back. Once is one. So this is what we are going to reach. There you click continue. Then click transfer. Wait for it to bridge. Okay, click confirm. Input your password. In this case, I'm using fingerprint to authenticate the transaction. So let's wait for it to complete the process. Do not do anything here. The source has completed and the bridging has taken place successfully. So let's go to our Bitget to check. Let's go back to home. Now come here, click here, click wallet. Now we have a $1.3513 left. Before the bridge, we have about 2 point something dollar. So equivalent of now what we are having now is 0.0022 BNB. So let's go and look for, search for Matchain and see the, now come to this place, click there, scroll down, you will see Matchain here. Now when you look at Matchain, check the BNB here. It has not arrived. what we have here is still 0.725. It has not arrived, so let's look for it. Okay, I think it has arrived now. So what we have now is $1.6936, equivalent to 0.0028. So the bridging has taken place. So what we do now is to go and claim our LOL in our Matchain app. So we can commence the claiming now. Okay, let's open the app again. So let's claim it. It has, now that it has opened, so click claim it now. Connect wallet. We click our BitgetWallet. The process is ongoing. Connect again. Okay, let it connect. It's connecting. Okay, let's wait for it to connect. So if you're watching this video, just follow the steps to get your own right. It's very simple to do. So approve it. I'll click approve. So it has we have claimed it already. So we'll go and look for it. So what next to do is to go to wallet, where I show you the other time. You click. We are not doing Solana. Why is it coming up? Okay, we click wallet here. I will look for LOL. Let's search for it. So we click here to search for it. You click the search bar here. Type in LOL. It's not showing. Let's go back. Try it again. If it did not work, we're going to copy the contract address and add it manually. Okay, look at it here. It's already showing when I click the contract, we have to add the contract address. So we have it here. So it has let's go back. It has added. So we have 100,000 LOL. So if you follow the process, you will see how easy it is to do the bridging and claim the LOL airdrop. So watch the video and follow the step in the video. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, subscribe, like, and share. Then